Hi everybody, my name is Miss Mabor. I'll be your AICE Marine Science teacher next school year, and I look forward to meeting you all in August. Now, during the summer, you have a summer assignment where you're going to be making study note cards, and there are about 61 of these terms for Unit 1 and Unit 2 combined. For those of you who like to move ahead of the class, I went ahead and also included all of the words for the other units. In total, we have about 7 units, and you will be expected to turn in a stack of these cards at the start of each unit. So on the front of the card, which is the unlined side, you're going to need to write the word, which for this example I have photoautotroph, and then on the other side you're going to draw an image to represent that word. I didn't include this in the directions that are written for you, but I went ahead and broke down the word photoautotroph. Something you'll notice in all of your science classes is that the words that we use in science are made up of Greek and Latin origins. So you can actually separate the words and get the definition before you even look it up yourself. So I want you to try this as a study tool. So the word photoautotroph can be broken down into photo, auto, and troph. So photo means light, auto means self, and troph means energy. So light, self, energy, which is a producer that makes energy from light. And then on the bottom of the card, I want you to include the unit that it is from. Some of the words will be repeated, but I need you to keep, depending on the unit, you're still going to have to write that word, even if you wrote it for a different unit. On the back of the card, on half, you're going to have the definition of the word in as simple terms as possible, and then on the other side, you're going to include examples. So for the word photoautotrophs, I have 2 separate definitions here. If I were you, I'd pick one. So a photoautotroph is an organism that makes its own food energy by processing light. That could mean a bacteria that processes light or goes through photosynthesis to make energy. It can also mean a plant, an aquatic plant that makes food energy from light. And then on the example side, I have here algae/seaweed. Seaweed is the green algae. I have phytoplankton and kelp. Kelp is a brown algae, but nonetheless, they are all photosynthetic and aquatic organisms. Now, something that I noticed in my Biology 1 class is some students would define a word using a common definition, like for the word cell. I once had somebody define cell as a place where you put people who are imprisoned, but what I'm looking for is the biological definition of the word cell. So keep in mind that you have to define these words in the context of the chapters. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, please email me. I'll include my email on the document. I look forward to hearing from you and to seeing all your beautiful cards. Have a great summer.